Hi everyone, I'm Major. In this video, we will explain how to create a project order. The first step in using a ArchiWood furniture design system, not modeling, but to create a project order. Okay, let's open SketchUp. You can see that it has been installed to build ArchiWood. Before creating a project order, we can delete the drawing area. Delete the unnecessary model objects. Then click Model Information under the window menu. Then click on the Statistics to clean up the unnecessary files here. Clean up the unused items. In this way, we can make SketchUp in the cleanest state. At this time, we can click the Project Management icon to create a new project. Click the New button in the upper right corner, then enter the order number here. Order name and customer name. First, we enter the order number first. Then enter the name of the order. Then we enter the customer's name. After entering, you can click the Save button at the bottom. A pop-up window appears, asking if we want to save it to the working path. We should click Yes. Then the project is successfully created. We can click the Return button, or click on All Projects. At this time, the current project order will be displayed. Then we can click the Close button in the upper right corner. After closing, we can see in the upper left corner of the SketchUp interface to see the current project order. After creating the project order, we can, in the drawing area, to create the model we need. The created model will be saved to the current project order's working path. Okay, that's all for this issue about creating a project order. Thank you, all.